So a little over a month ago, I was trawling through Facebook Marketplace, which I've dubbed the modern day trading post, looking for various different mowers and stuff. And one of the things that I've always wanted to add to my collection for a while now, sort of takes me back to my apprenticeship days, and that is an old Petrol Flymo. And I searched for a few years, and every now and then one would come up, but they were never really exactly what I was after. And then lo and behold, I stumbled across this one. So lo and behold, I've ended up with it, and I've been mowing the Tiff Tough lawn behind me here now with it since I've been mowing it. So it's had about 3 mows now with this, and it does a really great job. Now, these things actually work by floating just off the surface. So underneath this is a fan, and the fan and the blade lift this just off the ground, and it hovers just across the surface, and it cuts really nicely. There's no wheel tracks, there's nothing like that. A little bit rare these days in Australia. There's a few floating around Europe still, but most of these things were used on golf courses for steep banks, around water hazards, bunkers, etc. So this is sort of taking me back to my apprenticeship days, where I spent many hours behind one of these, and for nostalgic reasons, I found one and I bought it.